Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. There we are back on Hellcase today, and we have $2,000 balance. If you need 10% bonuses, you can check my description and pin comment, guys. Let's go to case battle. Let's create a battle. Oh, it's carnival. 10 times. I'm gonna try 𝗓𝗏𝗘𝗘𝗦 5 times and try legendary arena 5 times. 3 people. Let's go. All right, $100. We need some expensive skins. Nice! Nice! Nice knife. It's good. It's good. Oh my god. It's critic. It's critic. Oh, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. Nice. Nice. Okay, it's so close. Really critic. Really critic. Please, a good one. Good one. Oh my god, what are we? Okay. Oh my god, it's bad. We need a knife. Okay, guys. Okay. It's really close, really close. We are try again. Try again to... Just VIP case. And black laminate 3 times. 3 people, let's go. Just knife case. Maybe 1 knife. Just VIP case. And black laminate 3 times. 3 people, let's go. Just knife case. Maybe 1 knife or 2. AK-47 black laminate. I hate this skin, guys. Again and again and again. Ooh. It's really, really, really close. Really close. It's really bad, guys. Really bad. Alright. Alright. We are lose again. Today we are lose, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for everything, really appreciate that. Please check my link in the description and pin comment. Let's go, peace out guys.